Here I've got HUAWEI Y6P, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So at first let me open the messages, and if you will click on text message, you will find that we are currently set up with English. To change it, you just tap on the keyboard tab and then select the word icon, which is for languages. And here, if you will tap on all languages, you will see all the possibilities. Here you've got them. And just pick the language that you would like to apply. I will pick Yiddish. Wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see, this is how it will look like. Let me go back. And now if you will click here, you are set up with Yiddish. Then if you would like to change it, just tap on the keyboard icon, go to the word icon and remove Hebrew, then go back. And as you can see, now you'll be set up with English only. And this is it. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.